How to make a Bitcoin wallet with Python. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a Bitcoin wallet in Python. And actually there's a really cool dependency called HD Wallet that we can use. We're going to pip install HD Wallet. Here you can see we're downloading it. It just takes a minute. And we're good. Alright, let's use Python to make a Bitcoin wallet. So here we import HD Wallet and some random things from that, and here we import JSON. Now here we have some constants. We set our strength to 256. We pass that into entropy so we can generate 256 bits of entropy. Now down here we have the legacy wallet derivation of 44, SegWit pay-to-witness script hash of 49, SegWit pay-to-witness pub key hash of 84. Now here let's create a function that makes a Bitcoin wallet. So we'll say def create wallet derivation. We're going to take that as an argument. Now here we're going to create an instance of HD Wallet. So we'll go HD Wallet equals HD Wallet. Now we're going to make our wallet from our point of entropy. So we'll say HD Wallet dot from entropy. Entropy equals that entropy constant we made earlier. Now we're going to start from the first point of derivation. So we'll go HD Wallet dot from index derivation, and we set hardened to true. We do that for the first three derives. So we'll go HD Wallet dot from index 0 hardened equals true. And one more time for the hardened derivations from index 0 hardened equals true. Now for the fourth time we go from 0 non-hardened. So HD Wallet dot from index 0 and then HD Wallet dot from index 0. And here we return the dumps. It's just a dictionary object. Return HD Wallet dot dumps. And then down here we have our basic little test case. So here we have wallet equals create wallet, and we take that in as an argument. And then for the key value pairs in the wallet, we want to print them. So let's run that. And as you can see, we have a wallet. We've got our currency here, the network ticker, network mainnet. Here's our entropy. This is the seed phrase generated from our entropy. Now here is the actual mathematical seed. So our seed phrase comes from that entropy, and it's turned into this after its words. Then here we have our root x private key. All of our private keys will be derived from this private key. Our root x pub, all of our public keys are derived from this one. Now here we've got wallet import format, or WIF private key. If you want to import a private key to your full Bitcoin node, this is the one you would use. Here we've got our derivation, 84 hardened, 0 hardened, 0 hardened, 0 and 0 non-hardened. Then here's our addresses, pay to pub key hash, pay to script hash, pay to witness pub key hash, pay to witness pub key hash embedded in pay to script hash, pay to witness script hash, and then pay to witness script hash embedded in pay to script hash. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out more cool stuff at my blog, medium.com @Nulltonator. I'll see you next time.